From the main menu, we're gonna click on the Streaming tab on the upper side of the screen, and then on Set up a connector. To configure them, 4 steps must be followed. In the first step, select a connector, we must select an installation, and then select a connector from inside the installation. New information will automatically appear. In the second step, tags configuration, we must select the driver required for a connection with the installation connector, and then click on Get Tags, and the list of available variables will appear. At this point, the variables obtained can be edited, for example, choosing whether the variable will be displayed in real time or historically. Once that is finished, click on the Next button to access the following step. Step 3. Data read and synchronism. At this point, the properties of the historization of the selected variables as well as the real-time settings can be set up. In the final step, simply click on the Send Configuration button in order to save the connector.